TikTok may seem like an app where you scroll just for entertainment purposes. But what most people don't know is that you can grow an incredibly successful business and fast. You just need to know the right framework in order to do so. Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok. As you may know, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms right now. And with that brings a lot of new viewership and engagement. This incredible opportunity provides people with the freedom to start their very own online businesses on TikTok. And what many people do is they create their very own affiliate marketing account. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically it's where you promote other businesses' products and earn a commission after every sale you make through your affiliate link. Okay, let's begin the video. Alright, so I'm going to share with you several examples of affiliate marketing TikTok accounts that you can use yourself. And if you don't want to show your face, that's totally fine. You can actually make money online through TikTok without showing your face through affiliate marketing, and I'll show you exactly how. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a camera, you don't need to record your own voice, you don't need to do any of that. Alright, let's get started. So as you may or may not know, when you start your very own affiliate marketing business, you need to figure out what your niche is going to be. Narrowing down your niche will enable you to properly target the right audience in order to get traffic to your affiliate link and make your own commissions. Some examples include pets, fashion, fitness, woodworking, video games, and more. Like I said, you want to narrow down to a specific niche or topic so people can find you and come to you for a specific type of content and product. Alright, so if we search dog training on TikTok, we will see various different accounts that focus specifically on dog training. And as you can see in the profile, they have an affiliate link in their bio. And so anytime someone clicks on that link and buys a product through that affiliate link, this person who runs this account will get a commission after every sale. They also don't have any videos of themselves. They only have videos of dogs on their account, meaning that you don't even have to show your face. So now I'm going to show you one of the most popular affiliate marketing sites where you can find thousands of different affiliate products. The website I'm referring to is called clickbank.com. And like I mentioned previously, with affiliate marketing, you don't need your own product. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. All you have to do is drive traffic to your affiliate product. You don't have to deal with creating the products, dealing with clients, shipping and inventory, any of that stuff. And this is exactly why this is one of the most beginner-friendly digital marketing avenues you can go down. You can basically just create your own TikTok account, post dog videos or any videos that's in your niche, and then attract the right customers to drive traffic to your affiliate product. Next, I'm going to show you a website called Pexels, where you can get free stock photos and videos. These photos and videos are completely royalty-free and copyright-free, which means you can put them on any social media account and on any other account that you run completely by yourself for free. So if we search dogs in the search bar up top, you will find thousands of different dog images and videos that you can use completely for free. So if we just go over here and click on videos, you can see all these different options of videos that you can post on your TikTok account immediately. And since you are posting on TikTok, you want to make sure that the sizing is correct. So what you can do is if you go up here up top and click on orientation, you can then click on vertical, and that will give you the right sizing for TikTok. So now let's scroll down and look at some examples that would fit for a dog training TikTok account. So this one right here is clearly a dog being trained and is perfect for a dog training account. And some of these other dog videos are not applicable for a dog training account because they aren't being trained in the video. So next, we want to find an affiliate product for you to promote. So if we go back to ClickBank, the website I mentioned previously, we can browse through thousands of different options of affiliate products for dog training. So if we just go to the search bar and type in dog training and scroll down, we will see many different options of products that we can promote. And if you look on the right side, you will see the average amount of money per conversion and a button that says Promote. When you click on the Promote button, it will ask you to put your account nickname, and then after you do that, you can click on Create Hop Link, which will then provide you your very own affiliate link. And this is the link that you're going to put in your bio on your TikTok account. So another great TikTok niche account that you can start yourself is a TikTok fitness page. So if we go to TikTok and we search fitness, we will see several different fitness pages. So let's just click on one and take a look. So obviously, you can see a bunch of different people on all of these different videos, but it's very likely that the person who actually runs and owns this account is not the one in the videos. And all of these videos are of different people working out or doing fitness-related activities. And so if we go to the link in their bio, it's either going to be an affiliate link to a product that they are promoting, or it's a link to their own product or service. So now, how do we actually get our very own fitness-related videos to post on our fitness TikTok account? All we have to do is go back to the previous website that we were at called Pexels and type in fitness, and we will see thousands of fitness-related videos and photos. And all we have to do is put a text overlay on each of these videos. Adding text to every single one of your videos is extremely important because 1, it hooks the viewer into the video, and 2, it helps educate the viewer as to what the video is about. And if you're not sure what text to add to each of these videos, just go and follow a bunch of different popular fitness TikTok accounts and study which videos are doing the best and why they're doing so well. What headlines are they using, and under what videos are they using them for? And then of course, you're going to want to select an affiliate product that goes with fitness. And it's usually going to be a fitness course or a weight loss course, but it can literally be anything that's fitness related. And you can go find that by searching fitness in the site we were just at previously called ClickBank. So it really is possible to make money without showing your face on TikTok when promoting affiliate products. Also, sometimes depending on the country you live in, ClickBank is not accessible to you. So a great alternative to ClickBank is a website called digistore24.com. Now, if you're actually willing to put your face on camera and make that your brand for your TikTok account, you absolutely can. And in fact, you will get more sales when you show your face because that allows people to know, like, and trust you more. So let's find an example of a TikTok account where someone shows their face as part of their brand. So a really common niche that people like to use is the self-care niche. So if we just type in self-care on TikTok, we'll see various different options for us to choose from. So let's go ahead and click on this account. So if we scroll through this person's profile, we will see them on most of their videos talking about self-care and promoting a self-care related product or products. And as you can see, they have a link in their bio, which includes either a product or service that they're promoting, whether it's their own or an affiliate product. So the next way you can do affiliate marketing is through Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. So what you have to do here is you sign up first to the program, and then you recommend products to your audience, which allows you to earn up to 10% in Amazon Associate commissions from every qualified purchase that comes through your affiliate link. So if you have a lot of people buying through your affiliate link, you can potentially earn a lot of money. And this is very possible to do on TikTok because going viral on TikTok has become easier than ever. There are hundreds of thousands of people who go viral on TikTok every single day, and if you go viral on your business account, that can result in hundreds, if not thousands of sales through your affiliate link. So here's an example of a TikTok page that focuses on Amazon products only. And all they're doing is displaying the product or talking about the product or educating people about the product in order for people to then purchase the product so they can get a percentage of that sale as an affiliate. And you also don't have to show your face on this type of TikTok account as well. But if you do choose to show your face, then you can earn a lot more money as a result. So as you can see, this person has the products themselves, and I'm not sure if this person has purchased the products themselves or if the company has sent them the products to this person for free. But I do know that this person is making a lot of money doing this, mainly based on how many views they're getting in their TikTok videos. And again, if you look up top in the person's bio, you can see their affiliate link. And the great thing about Amazon affiliate programs is that if someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases anything on Amazon, it doesn't have to be a product from your TikTok page. It can be anything from Amazon where you get a commission off of every single sale. So that shows you the many different ways that you can make money on TikTok as an affiliate marketer. Now let's keep on learning different ways to make money online, so go ahead and check out this video right here.